everyone. So now that you've finished your newest AMITAMI friend, it is time to add a keychain so you can hang this off of your backpack, purse, whatever it might be. For today's video, I have my model Mossy. This is who I'll be using to make a keychain, and my green yarn, which is my main color for Mossy's project. But you go ahead and use whatever of the AMITAMI characters you've made and your main color. We are going to begin this keychain strap by chaining up 5. So first thing we need to do is make a slip knot, and let's chain up 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, we need to insert the metal keyring into the middle of the chain, and then we'll turn back, skip 3 stitches, and slip stitch into the last 2 stitches. So I'm going to set this down for just a moment because I am going to actually take my tapestry needle and thread the yarn tail of our chain 5 here. Now that I have my yarn tail threaded, I can go ahead and take the key ring. You want to take the smallest set of loops, so this long chain of loops that we have here, and we'll push our tapestry needle through it and get it secured onto our chain up here. There we go. It's now in the middle, and I can go ahead and remove my tapestry needle. The tapestry needle isn't super necessary. It just made it a lot easier for me to add it on. So now that it's in the middle here, we're going to skip 3 chains. So we have 1, 2, 3, and in these last 2 right here, we're going to slip stitch. So let's just slip stitch into that first chain there, and then again into the second chain. All right, and now that we're nice and secured on, we can go ahead and sew this onto round 1 and 2 of the head of our project. So I'm going to fasten off by just chaining 1 here and cutting myself a little tail. Remember, we're always taking our crochet hook and pulling the loop up and off the hook. There we go. And now with our little setup here, we can go ahead and sew this onto the top of Mossy's head. So let me thread this on to my yarn needle really quick, and we'll sew it down together. With my tapestry needle threaded, we can go to the top of the project, and between round 1 and 2 right here, smack dab in the middle, we'll go through 1 stitch, and we'll pull that keychain ring all the way up and through. And then we're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing for the other side of this yarn tail. So go ahead and sew that one down to make sure our little friend doesn't go anywhere without us. So I've gone ahead and wove down both sides of the yarn tails for the keychain. I have them close enough now where I could double knot them if I'd like to one last time for some additional reassurance, but I'm actually pretty happy with how secure it is on. So I'll just cut my little yarn tails off of the project, and there you go. That's all you need to do in order to make your new little friend into a keychain, and they are ready to go everywhere you go now. So that's all you need to do. Nice, quick, and easy, and I hope you found this helpful to bring your new friend on the go with you. Until next time, I'll see you around. Bye!